Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the White Barn Bath & Body Works Watermelon Lemonade Scented Candle. It is a 3-wick candle, which I'll show you. 3 wicks. And it's 14.5 ounces. The smell is watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. And Meyer lemon is a citrus scent, which is relaxing if you're looking for something for aromatherapy. It's topped with a flame extinguishing lid, which I will show after I light it. And it already smells good in here. Burns approximately 25 to 45 hours, and it measures 4 inches wide, and it's about 3.5 inches tall. And like I said, it lasts for 25 to 40 hours burning. The wicks are made with soy, so it doesn't run out. It's as reported. It says it's the perfect 3-wick candle made with the highest concentrate of fragrance oils, an exclusive blend of soy-based wax and wicks that won't burn out. Their candles melt consistently, evenly, radiating enough fragrance to fill an entire room. Topped with a decorative lid that will extinguish the flames. And something I really absolutely love. I love all of the watermelon lemonade scents that Bath & Body Works makes. I will show you what it looks like when it's burning. So here's the candle. Gotta be a little careful with that. So I'm going to light these. Be a little careful with this. Burn yourself. You can already smell how lovely it smells. Gotta be careful I don't catch it on fire either. So yeah, so like I said, it has a self-extinguishing lid that you just go ahead and put on top like that, and it shuts off all the fire. So again, it's made with watermelon ice, sparkling water, Meyer lemon, and essential oils, and it burns 25 to 45 hours. Yeah, one important thing, you need to burn the candle within sight. Never burn a candle on anything that can catch fire. And then before each relighting, you want to trim the wicks about 1/4 inch. And it's 14.5 ounces. Just a heavenly, lovely smell. I was going to say flavor, but you're not eating it. But I found this, and I pretty much bought most of the line because I absolutely love it, and I think it's a great scent. And like I said, it's made by Bath & Body Works. They make a great amount of different body products, and like I said, this is my absolute favorite one. It's durable, it's easy to use. You can leave it in the bathroom and put it on the counter and light it up, and the whole room will just smell like sparkling watermelon lemonade. It's a really nice scent. It's not a cheap scent. It smells like something that you've invested a few bucks in, which is kind of nice. So yeah, absolutely check out the Watermelon Lemonade Scented Candle by White Barn and Bath & Body Works. Like I said, you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. And I think you'll really, really enjoy this product. It's wonderful scented candle. So check it out. Thanks so much for watching.